Hello lovely people, I'm back again. Welcome to my channel Learn English with Priyanka Chaudhary. If you have not watched my previous video, then you must watch it. The previous video is all about how can self-talk help you to improve your communication skills. Well, in this video I'm going to talk about a very important topic and that is preposition. Means वैसे तो preposition discuss करने के लिए बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. But in this video, I am specially going to focus on the use of the preposition on, in and at. ये जो तीन prepositions हैं बहुत confusing हैं. And I think most of the time you people definitely get confused whenever you come across this preposition on, in and at. जब भी आप टाइप कर रहे होते हैं कोई सेंटेंस या फ्रेम करने का सोच रहे होते हैं और जैसे ही ये वर्ड्स आते हैं आप कंफ्यूज हो जाते होंगे कि ये ऑन लगाऊं, इन लगाऊं या फिर एट लगाऊं. आफ्टर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो यू वोंट बी फेसिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम लाइक दिस. बिफोर हिटिंग द टॉपिक लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ preposition फर्स्ट. चलिए पहले ये समझते हैं व्हाट इज़ preposition और उससे भी पहले ये समझते हैं कि देयर आर सो मैनी पीपल हु प्रोनाउंस दिस वर्ड in a wrong way. The right pronunciation is preposition, not preposition. Read this word with me. It's preposition, correct. Alright, now let's understand what is preposition first. So preposition को हम समझते हैं on the basis of these three things, and that is what is preposition, where do we use preposition, and why do we need preposition. So let's understand these three things. अगर आप ये तीन चीज़ें समझ गए तो आप preposition समझ गए कि ये होता क्या है. So what is preposition is it is a word or you can say a group of word. कभी कभी preposition सिर्फ एक सिंगल वर्ड होता है, कभी कभी एक से ज़्यादा वर्ड भी होते हैं. कहाँ यूज़ किए जाते हैं? It is used before a noun or a pronoun or a noun phrase in a sentence. If you would like to know more about noun, pronoun and other part of speech, I have this video in which I talked about all parts of speech and explained what is noun, pronoun and the other parts of speech. Do not forget to check that out. I'll share the link in the description box. I would request you to watch this video till the end because at the end I will present a worksheet for you to practice these prepositions. So stay tuned with me till the end of this video. To show direction, place, location, time, and sometimes it is used to introduce an object in a sentence. So now I think you completely understood what is preposition. Here you can see the definition as well. Alright, so let's begin with understanding on preposition first. So where do we use on preposition? In some situations where you want to talk about particularly date or days. If you want to say I was born on 13th of March. So here on is coming before the date 13th. So here you can see the sentence I was born on 13th of March. Okay, let's see another sentence. He goes to play football on Sunday. So before Sunday we are using on preposition and Sunday is the name of a day. Now on is used in some other situation as well. We use on preposition when we are talking about the surface, means if any object is placed here. So this is an object and if I keep this object here, this is the surface level and I'm keeping this pen here, then I would say on. So the pen is on my palm, right? But if the pen is here, you cannot say on. इसे क्या बोलेंगे इस सिचुएशन में पेन? वेयर इज द पेन? व्हाट इज द लोकेशन ऑफ द पेन? You need to tell me in the comment section. Alright, so whenever you want to talk about anything that is on the surface of anything, then you can use on. Let me give you more examples. If you want to say like the books are on the table. So where are the books kept? On the table. So the moment you say on the table, the books on the table, we automatically get the image like this. Right. Okay, let's see some more examples. If you want to say, oh, I left my keys on the bed. So the moment I said keys on the bed, again you understood where are the keys and what is the location of the keys. The moment you say on the bed, it's clear that what do you want to actually convey to the listener. On can be used in these particular situations where you want to tell the location of any object which is kept on the surface of anything. Now let's understand where else can we use on preposition. Okay, so whenever you are traveling by any public transport, so that time you can say I am on the metro, I am on the bus, or you can say I am on the airplane, or you can say I am on the train. So in these type of situations where you are traveling by any public transport, you can use on preposition there. Now where else we can use on preposition? And that is when you are talking about electrical appliances. Like how? Okay, let's understand this with an example. I'm watching something. मैं कुछ TV पे देख रही हूँ. Then I can say this sentence like this. I am watching my favorite show on TV. You're right. So in this sentence we will be using on as a preposition, not at or in. Correct. जब अब आप बोलना चाहते हैं कि मैं अपने फ़ोन में वीडियो देख रही हूँ, तो आप कैसे बोलेंगे? I am watching a video on my phone. In my phone नहीं. I am watching a video on my phone. जब भी आप कुछ भी स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं तो आप on यूज़ करेंगे. Or if you want to say I am listening to music on radio. I am listening to songs on radio. I think you people now understood it really well that where can we use on preposition. On is used in one more situation where suppose you are reading something. You are reading any book or a newspaper or anything that is printed or a magazine. Okay. So that time you can use or frame sentences like there is something written on the paper. You can frame a sentence like I was reading something on the newspaper yesterday and that was really shocking. So here also you have to use on as a preposition. Or you are sitting in a restaurant and you are framing sentences. You are talking to your friend who is there with you and you are asking your friend, do you like anything on the menu? So again, on the menu, there are so many dishes printed on it. So that's why you are saying on the menu. So I think you understood how can we use on in this situation as well. Now let's understand where can we use in preposition. We use in preposition also when we are talking about time. The time should be unspecific. No specific time is there. So there you will be using in preposition. Unspecific time means you are talking about the month or you're talking about the season or year. So with the name of these things, you will be using before these words, you will be using in preposition. How? Let me give you some examples. So here you can see the example in this sentence. The sentence is my brother was born in 1999. So before the year you will use in preposition. Correct. And have a look at the next sentence. In the next sentence you can see it's always cold in winter. So again, before the name of season, we have to use in preposition. Okay, and if you want to say sentences like these, so again, you will be using in preposition. What did you do in the past 2 days? So past, the past, इसके पहले आप लगाएंगे in preposition. This preposition in can be used when you want to talk about the place or location. For example, if I want to say कि मैं इंडिया में रहती हूँ, so I would say this sentence like this. I live in India. And if I want to say a sentence like I want to talk about my location, that where am I at my home at this moment, so I can say I am in my room. I am in my room. Or if you want to say that she lives in England, so again in is used when you want to talk about the location or place. Now let's understand the next situation. In can be used when you are talking about enclosed space. कोई ऐसा स्पेस के बारे में आप बात कर रहे हैं जो चारों तरफ से बंद है, वो या फिर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट किसी दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर है, तब आप in preposition को यूज कर सकते हैं. He has so many books in his bag. In his bag means his bag contains a lot of books. And if you want to say there is water in the bottle, So where is water? In the bottle. Correct. So this is how you can use in preposition when you want to talk about any object which is inside of something. I kept the keys in the drawer. I kept the keys in the drawer. Now it's your turn to frame a next sentence using in preposition. Tell me in the comment section below. In preposition is also used with these noun phrases: in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. So whenever you want to frame sentences using these phrases, you will be using in preposition. आप बोलते हैं ना, I wake up early in the morning, I wake up late in the morning. अगर आप बोलना चाहते हैं कि मैं तो आफ्टरनून में सो जाता हूँ, so you can say I sleep in the afternoon. So इस तरीके के जब भी आपको noun phrases use करने हैं, so there you will be using in preposition before these noun phrases. If you want to say मैं कार में हूँ, then you will say I am in the car. And if you are saying मैं cab में हूँ, तो आप कहेंगे I am in the cab. In this situation you will not be saying on, because आप कहेंगे कि cab भी तो एक तरीके से public transport है, तो हम इसमें on क्यों नहीं यूज़ कर रहे हैं? Why are we not using on with this public transport which is a cab? Then I would tell you, public transport तो होना ही चाहिए. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, अगर वो ट्रांसपोर्ट ऐसा है जिसमें आप चल फिर पा रहे हैं, आपके लिए स्पेस है चलने के लिए, तो आप वहाँ पे ऑन यूज़ करेंगे, बिकॉज कार एंड कैब में स्पेस भी नहीं होता है चलने के लिए. सो दैट्स वाई यू विल बी यूजिंग in preposition there, not on. And I guess you got the answer of your question. So we are done with in preposition as well. And I guess so now let's have a look at the next preposition. Okay, चलिए अब अपने third preposition से मिलते हैं, and that is at preposition. Now let's understand how can we use at preposition. So whenever you are using time specifically, you will be using at. For instance, if you want to say she slept at 10 p.m. yesterday, so at 10 p.m. Or if you want to say my interview is at 1 p.m. And you can use this preposition at with the word night, midnight, at midnight, and you can use this preposition with the word sunrise as well, at sunrise. Next example, I always sleep late at night. What was she doing at midnight yesterday? The beauty of nature can be enjoyed at sunrise. So this is how you can use at preposition in sentences like these. When you want to talk about location, for instance, someone is asking you, where are you? Then you can say, I am at the restaurant. Or you can say, I am at home. Remember that in home is incorrect. We always say at home. So she is at home, I am at home, we are at home. Always use at preposition with the word home. If someone is asking you like, okay, fine, you are at home, but where are you at home? So then you can say, I am in my room, but not in home, okay? I am in my room, I am in my living area, I am in my kitchen. So this is how you can frame sentences. You can say, my father is at bank. So it does not mean he is in the bank, he is at the bank. Bank में है, बैंक के आसपास भी हो सकते हैं. When you say at bank, it does not mean in the bank. I hope you're getting my point. At bank means बैंक में वो कहीं भी हो सकते हैं, आसपास भी हो सकते हैं, बाहर भी हो सकते हैं, बैंक के आसपास हो सकते हैं. Alright, but when you're saying in the bank, so then in the bank, बैंक के अंदर. Your friend is asking you, where are you? You are saying, I am at mall. So it means the mall is so big, so you can be anywhere at mall. Alright, when your friend finally reaches at that place, which is mall, then your friend is asking you again, okay, where are you? I am in the mall now, where are you? So then you can say, I am in the food zone. Alright, so I think you understood how can you use this preposition at, in and on. So now the whole chapter on these three prepositions ends here, but still the video is still on, don't go anywhere. You must remember one more thing, and that is where should we not use these prepositions, and these are the situations where you should not use any preposition. So with these words, avoid using any preposition. So the sentences will be simply like, she went to Rajasthan last Friday. No preposition is required. Or you can say, Rohan goes for swimming every Sunday. Again, before every, no preposition will be there. And in this sentence, we will call you this evening. There will not be any preposition before the word this. So do not forget all these criteria, all these situations that I shared with you. And for your understanding, for your practice, I'm going to present a list of some sentences where you will see some blanks that you need to fill up with the preposition at, in and on. And I will be sharing the answer of these blanks as well. But before having a look at the answer, you must fill up the blanks. Don't do cheating. You need to fill up the blanks first and only then you can go for the answers. You can pause the video for 2 or 3 minutes as per your convenience, and then the moment you will finish doing all the blanks, you can see the answers. Let's have a look. Now this video ends here. I hope this video really helped you to overcome your confusion of using at, in and on. And if you like this video, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. I will be very grateful to you. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.